ओके,
यस
दिख रहा है
सर।
ना आपको?
यस सर।
5, 6, 7, 8 8 टास्क है।
यस
ओके,
सर।
ये है इंटरनल टेबल का टास्क। ओके,
यस सर।
ये है इंटरनल टेबल का टास्क 7, 8, ये है। ओके,
यस सर।
ये ये हो गया डाटा डिक्शनरी। डाटा डिक्शनरी में भी ये टास्क है, ठीक है ना? तो मैं 4 टास्क भेज दे रहा हूँ आपको। जो होगा करिएगा, जो नहीं होगा बताइएगा। मैं कर बता दूंगा, लेकिन आप खुद से करिएगा, किसी से पूछ के मत करिएगा।
सर ये बीडीसी वाले को भेज दीजिए।
सॉरी।
ये बीडीसी वाले थे ना टास्क आपके पास।
हाँ हाँ,
हाँ, सर वो भी भेज दीजिए।
टास्क रहता है ना तो समझ में आता है क्या करना है।
यस सर।
आप एक स्टेप आगे जा रहे हो।
सर एक्चुअली एक्चुअली लगता है वो ट्रेनिंग प्लान अलग चल रहा है, तो इस हफ्ते हम लोग को बीडीसी पढ़ना है।
बाकी लोग को कंफ्यूजन होगा ना, इसीलिए।
यस सर।
ठीक है, ये क्यों अपलोड नहीं हो रहा है? अच्छा, यहाँ से होगा क्या? टास्क ये ना, क्वेश्चन ये 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 टास्क भी भेज दिया हूँ। ये सब कंप्लीट करोगे तब थोड़ा आगे बढ़ने में मजा आएगा।
यस
ओके,
सर।
डाटा डिक्शनरी रहने दीजिएगा अभी। बस ये सिलेक्शन स्क्रीन, इंटरनल टेबल एंड स्ट्रिंग मैनिपुलेशन, डाटा डिक्शनरी आज मैं कुछ कवर करूंगा, और जो होगा करिएगा। इंटरनल टेबल कहाँ आ गया? डॉक्यूमेंट। अच्छा, इसका आंसर में क्या है? शेयर। यूजफुल प्रोग्राम, ये सब तो अलग प्रोग्राम है। पीपीटी टास्क ये भी भेजा हूँ। और क्या है भेजने लायक? ये मैं दूंगा आप लोग को। इसमें कम है, और तो स्पेक्स में बनाया था, अच्छा अच्छा स्पेक्स था, लेता हूँ मैं। ये क्या है? प्रोग्राम। अच्छा, इंटरनल टेबल, इसमें डीडीआईसी नहीं है क्या? ऑब्जेक्ट्स में होगा। ओके, ये तो ऊप्स कॉन्सेप्ट है। ठीक है, चलेगा। DDIC में तो कुछ है नहीं ज़्यादा, बस इसलिए नहीं बनाया है S11. So these are the concept of DDIC. So let me create one table, Z demo employee underscore 01. Okay, suppose I'm creating this table. So employee data. Okay, employee data. So you can see delivery class. Okay, so there are application table, customize and maintenance only by customer, no SAP import, local data, delivery customizing protected against SAP update, only INS allowed, control tables, SAP in customer separate key areas, system tables edited by only by SAP, changed and modified system table content transportable. Okay, so we have to select this application. Mostly we will go for application table. Okay, for creating master and transactional data. Got it? So we are going to create master and transactional data only. Customizing and maintenance only by customer, non-SAP import. What does it mean? It it means like when you are when you have to choose this, when you are going to like maintain some configuration data means like order type. Suppose GST, there are three type of GST, right? So you want like suppose some more within one state, some more GST came, and you want to implement that also. So for that you want some configuration data, so that we can maintain using C. Okay, it is not like that master and transactional data. What is master data? Master data will be stored at once, right? It will not regularly day to day. We are not maintaining any master data at it. When the business approval, suppose there are customer, right, 100 customer, you have 100 customer and that is fixed, right? So that master data you will upload, customer data, bank detail, customer address, email ID. This email ID will not change. If it is changed, then it will be like one after 6 months to 1 years, right? That is not like regularly it will change. Okay, so master data is vendor, bank vendor data. Like vendor is mail ID, address, logo, whatever the vendor detail, right? That is master data. Material description, material price, material conditions, material batch information, material in which cell, so in which plant it is available. So all thing will be like master data only. Transactional data day to day, right? Every day, and there is no limit. Suppose you are purchasing today, you have purchased 50 material. Tomorrow you can purchase 100 material. Day after tomorrow you can purchase 2000 material, right? It's not limit, right? And sales also, you will sell day to day, daily you can sell something. These are transactional data. So so by using the master data, you will create the transactional data. Okay, so that is used for A. And local data, delivery, implement. This we are not using this. This is system tables only. System means SAP tables, like date table, system time table, time something system tables, right? that SAP will create this. We are not going to create any table, such kind of tables. What happened? A display maintenance. चुप हो जाओ, आ जाओ, बैठो, इधर बैठो. Oh, 1 second, okay, 1 second. Yeah, hello. Okay, sorry. Okay, yeah. So for this table, what is how editing like maintenance is allowed or not with restriction or not allowed, only display allowed. So you can mention anything. I'm just mentioning maintenance allowed. And this is the detail package, in which package you want to store, right? So if you are mentioning any package, then you have to store this table in tr. Okay. Yeah. And this is the fields, you can give the fields here. Let me store in some package. Let me search any package is available or not. Suppose I am going to store in any package. You can create your own package also, there is no issue. There are many packages created, right? Okay. And in package is not not, they are not recommending to create new package every time. Okay. With the approval only you have to create the package. And here you can create the tr, my, sorry, my first first table. This is the tr, workbench tr. Yeah, this is the tr. Now if you'll go in this, it, you can see the package. 1 second, I am getting one call, just it went off. Okay, let's me continue. Package detail is here, and field. Okay, field you can mention any field, name of employee, right? So this you want to be a key field. Okay, initial means like initial value 0 also, but I don't want to give initial. Let me give you data element. So right now data element is not created. Okay, if you want predefined, here you can give predefined like character. Here length is 20 character. Name, name of employee. Okay, so this is my table. created. Okay, now okay, this is key field. Age, char, age, character type. Yeah, here you can give 02. Here you can give age of employee. Sorry. Here city. Here char, character. Here you can give 20 city. Here department. Department. char department. Character 20 character. Department of employee. Now save it. Okay. Here is what. Okay, here you can mention the check table. Okay, to make the foreign key relationship. But right now I'm not going to create the foreign key relationship. Their currency field you can give the reference field for if it is USD or like quantity field, quantity and currency field. So indexing, yeah. So indexing we don't have. By default, it will create the index. Okay. Just I want to show you the option. Okay. What happened? Snehalata. Okay. Save it. Now I'm going. Let me activate it. Yeah. So let me go back. Okay. This is the technical settings we have in the this PPT, right? We have seen some technical settings for the table. So data class. Okay. So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 data class. Okay. So first one is master data and transparent table. Okay. And second is transactional data and transparent tables. So here for 0 master data, like I have created the transparent table for master data, correct? This is a transparent table for the master data. So then we can select APPL01. If you are going to use this is a transactional data, then you can select this. If it is organizational customizing, organization means some configuration data, right? Configuration, some GST related configuration percentage, some rule and regulation you want to maintain, right? That configuration. Then you have to give this. What is the purpose of giving this? This is dimension table for BW, money business object, BW. Okay, fact table. So these are the class. So when you define the class, right, it will uh, give like it will give you some memory allocation, and it will the space will be given in the database. Like in this class you have to sit, this table will sit in this class, right? So we have the guest coming in my home, then I will allocate the first room, guest room, to them, right? If my father is coming, then I will um, give access to all the room, right? Father, mother, anyway, any person, not everyone, right? So like that class is defined to sit the table in that space. Now how you will give the size? Size, suppose for this table you want to allocate the size, like number of record. So this much size, zero size you want to give. Zero size means uh, like when the table was created in the database, the size and this size will be allocated as per this configuration. We can't give an too much memory to this table, right? We have to give provide some memory size. So what happen if the record exceed 5,000, right? Then how it, then 5,000, then next 0 to 4900, it the memory will allocate. You understand, right? Suppose I'm giving 0, right? So what happen? Size 0. Suppose I'm taking something 10 record. Okay. So this size you have given to your table in the database. So suppose for acquiring 1 to 0, 10 record, suppose 1 KB, 1 KB dat, 1 KB memory is taken. Okay, to store this size. 1 KB memory will be allocated to table. 1 KB memory will be allocated to table. When you make a entry in the table, okay, if if 10 record fill in the table, then good, 1 KB only. If you are going to create one more record like 11th record, then again 0 to 10 size will be allocated to this table. Then it will be 2K, 2 KB, 2 KB memory will be allocated, total memory. So like that it works in the backend. Okay. So you are getting my point, right? Hello. Okay. So yeah, buffering not allowed means directly you have to hit the database every time to get the record from this table. Buffer allowed but switch off. Okay, buffer allowed but switch off. So means whenever necessary, right? Then only buffering will be active, like allowed. Otherwise it will be switch off. It is not used, then automatically it will be switch off. And buffering activated means if you select this, then from the application layer, I have explained, up from application layer we have three thing, right? R by 3 I have explained, right, previously. R by 3, R by 3. What is meaning of R by 3? R by 3 means application presentation. Yeah, presentation is this one. I'm working currently in presentation. Okay, GUI. What is called SAP GUI. Okay, and application means where I am writing the code, writing the code or SE11. These all are running our code, runtime, right? All this activity I'm doing in application. And database where the data will store. Okay, data will what store, correct? This is concept is R by 3. Okay, in application mean SE11. Suppose there are many person they are using SE11 writing the code. There is not one. There are many developer, many functional consultant, many users. There are not a limit, right? Users, developer, functional consultant, business users, many. They are using application, and in application layer only all suppose 5 server is defined and dispatcher is defined. They call this application and from there it will call the database, right? Why it is? Because database will be free, right? It will not heat, it will not data will not corrupt, because if the database will be hit, then they will give some hanging issue, something, they will provide some issues, right? So like this. Now coming back where we are. Okay, so yeah, here you can see F1 you can see, right? F1 here, physical area of data where the database perform Oracle and Informix database table is stored, right? This one is saying. Now HANA databases came, but this is for example it is saying. Okay, buffer allowed. This is single record buffer. Mm, okay, generic buffer and generic area buffer. Generic area means key field, how many key field you want. I have only one key field, so I can give only one key field. Fully buffered means table you want fully buffered. Log change means if anyone done some changes in the data, right, this log will be captured, like who is done the changes in the record. Okay, so I'm going to save this. Okay, let me save this. Not possible. Okay, let me uncheck this also. Okay, this table I'm created. Here is technical settings. If you'll go in technical setting, you can see this one more option is there, right? Column storage and row storage. Okay, this tab is coming in our S4 HANA. Okay, only it is S4 HANA. Raw storage. Raw storage is in, like, generally raw storage is in ECC, ERP. Okay, Oracle. In HANA only we have the column storage functionality. Okay, let me go to, yeah. So save it, check it. Yeah, there is no error. We can save it, execute it. Now there is one more option, enhancement category. Okay, cannot be enhanced. Yeah, I want to enhance it. Okay, enhance the structure means is a structure you can enhance later on. Okay, yeah, activate it. Now this transparent table is created. So okay, one thing I forgot to explain you, type of tables. Type of SAP tables. So there are transparent table, pool table, cluster table. Okay, system table, customizing tables, all these things there. So transparent table. Now we are creating a transparent table for master data and transactional data. Okay, so directly store application data in the database. One-to-one relationship between the table defined in the SAP and database table. Okay, like Mara, BKPF, all these things. Full table. Full table grouped together in a single physical table called the pool, using for sorting control data, customizing and small data set. So what happened, right? CSTS. If you'll go SE 11, okay, here you can go Mara. So you can go check this attributes. This one. This is application table, transactional table, technical settings. Okay. 1 minute. BSEG. BSEG is our cluster table. Okay. You can here see where it is. There should be some option. Yes. STC. DSTC. Yeah. See here. Uh, so this is system tables, right? So system tables means it will store all the T codes, program, and all these things. System tables. 1 minute. Okay. So logical tables that will automatically it will store by the SAP. Like whenever you will create new T code, new program, correct? That program will store in this table. So this is more related with system tables. So what happen? They will group together in a single physical table. So many to many relationship, like many to one relationship, like that. Where is my Excel? Okay. Suppose this is Mara, right? This is transparent table. So directly it will store in database as a Mara, okay, in one single space, and memory allocation and class also will be same. But pooled and cluster table, it will clustered like there is table one, T1, T2, T3, right? That will store in one group actually. Suppose this is group, T group, group of table, right? T group, group of table. So all T1 will be stored in one memory, okay, one class, in one group, okay. So like P1, P2, like cluster table for C1, C2, like that. It is group, it will group and it will store. Okay, there are many to one relationship. Suppose these are many to one relationship with the database. So like that, pooled and clustered logical single database, same thing. BSEG only, right? But yeah, here you can see BSEG is stored in clustered with PKPF. Okay. So here BSEG I have went actually BSEG, but here it is this one BKPF. This is transparent, I know that, but BSEG it is showing actually right now system. Okay. My only one selection screen is coming. Okay, let me yes. Okay, I will apply F1. Okay, no issue. So these are the tables: transparent table, pool table, system tables, cluster table. Yeah, also system tables and many to one relationship. Okay, pool table is system table. Cluster table will be like in FI document. In FI, we can see cluster table, but in HANA database, we are not getting any cluster table. Okay, all cluster table is converted into transparent table. That's why here we can see BSEG is transparent table. Okay, but in if you will check in old system, right, they have cluster table. Okay, and that F4 is not very internal table. Already I have explained, exist only in the program memory during the execution at the runtime. Okay, system tables like metadata. This one is, these are the types of table. Okay, control and configuration, complex and related record. Mostly this clustered in, previously they have used for FI. Okay, in FI module. So this is BSEG only. Now in S4 HANA, what they have done, they have created AC Doka. AC Doka. Okay, AC Doka. See here AC Doka, right? They have created AC Doka, and they have replaced BSEG as a cluster table. In old system, we have MSEG. This one also used as a cluster table. Okay, but right now Mad Dog in HANA. Okay, so this is material document. Okay, you can see transparent. All are transparent table now. They have removed the cluster. Why cluster table is removed? Because we can't create the secondary index, and performance wise it is very slow. Cluster table very slow. And in FI, if BSEG is there, right, all transactional finance document and SD related, asset related, all will finally goes to FI only. And there is a huge data in the BSEC. That's why we are getting more challenge in the BSEC table for like to run in the report in anywhere. Performance is very slow. That's why it is removed as a cluster table. Now they have uh, created AC Doka and Mad Dog. So this is, yeah, here it is mentioning cluster table, pool table imported for FICU and HR module. Okay, yeah, okay. So let me go to table. Sorry, my mouse is, yeah. So this one A only. Let's save it. Inactive. Just activate it. Okay, now you want to make the entry in this table, right? Go to SC16 and SC16 is 34 to display the record. Yes, all came actually. Hello, बोलिए. Yeah, hello. So there is no record, right? I have to create the record. Then you go to SC um, 12 SC 11. Okay, SC 11 I will go, and display and go to extra, not extra, table content. Okay, just create the entries. Okay, here so is 25, city Mumbai, and department above. Now save it. Just to go back, right? Now you want to display, right? SE69. Okay, now you can see the record. Okay, so here 34. Now maintenance is allowed, right? That's why I can able to edit the record, right, from SE69. If you'll go here and maintenance uh, only display allowed. Okay, now if you go back and execute, so SE69 24 शायद इसका ऑथराइजेशन दिया होगा कुछ इसमें मेंटेनेंस. Now it is in display mode. Okay, so okay, something they have provided maintenance entities, maintenance display maintenance not allowed. We have to display where table content went. See here, maintenance not allowed, right? Where is maintenance? Okay, see maintenance disabled, right? Only we cannot display with the standard tool. Yeah, so there is a restriction, correct? So this one only I want to show you. You can try this, okay, but uh, let me go and SE16N. Okay, see here maintenance increase, right? We can't maintain, just only for display. Previously it is not refreshed actually. That's why you have to come out. Now we are going to allow out, right? Now you can go entries. Yeah, you can see table content, right? Right? Table content. Previously it was not there because uh, 16, and yeah, see here it is disabled or enabled, right? Now you can maintain it. So like that it works. Okay, so so like that for view you can create data type. Okay, view, I will let you know view data type. Yeah, so data element you can create, suppose for name, the data element, right? Data element for name. correct? Suppose you are going to create data already exist. Okay, let's see who is created. Someone created. Let me create my one. Employee. Okay, create. Yeah, this is also created. Good man. Yeah. So data element I'm going to create. Okay. So name of NAME, name of employee. Okay. So yeah, again here, if you want build type, then you can define build type char. Here you can give 20. Okay. Okay. Here you can give name, name of employee, name of employee, name of employee. Okay. This is build type actually. Again, means data element you have created, but domain you have not created. So what is the functionality you will get in while creating data element? Here is search help. You can give the search help also. Whatever the search help you have, you will be created, right? That you can give here directly. Okay, parameter ID. Parameter ID is used to hold the data. Okay, in the application layer in memory. Suppose you want to capture the value, right? So that for that only you have this functionality. I will explain while going to create this one report program, right? I will give you the functionality. What is the use? At that time only you will get to know what is the use of this. Change document. No, this is bi-directional. This one different thing. So this functionality you can get, and this one is field level. Means when output, when you are going to display in a report, right? At that time, if you hello, no, yeah. So where you will suppose in Excel, right? See here, if you'll drag this, so it will come smaller. Okay, if you'll drag like this, it will come bigger. Name of employee like that. Got it? Hello. This one practical only. Name of employee, right? Employee. This will be the longer text, right? Employee. Suppose if you'll drag this, the whole text will come. Okay. If you'll drag like this, then this name of employee, right? Employee will remove. Only name will come in the your column. Okay. So like this will come. Okay. So for this purpose only, and also when you are going to create the table maintenance generator, right? This is useful at the time. If you are not creating this, then it will come plus plus sign in while creating table maintenance generator. Okay. Now you know this one. Okay. What is the use? Next time you will know. Okay. So yeah, so like this, now this data element, You can go here, you can display field. In place of this, you can give the data element like this. Okay, so something changed, right? And so yeah, so it will overwrite. Now built-in data type, if you go, you can remove this, or else directly you can give data element. It will automatically overwrite. You have to create from here also. You can create age. Yeah, age is not created. Enter, double click over here, double click. So what is written? Save. Okay, is already created, bro. Someone created student age, right? Someone already created. See, yeah, previously I'm giving character 2, here int 5, student age, right? Let me create my one data element. This is also created. Okay, with num_c. Okay, yeah, z d e c t city. This one also created. Yeah, this is also created. Student city. What I will do? 01 01. Let me create my one. I hope so. It should not be. Yeah, it is not created. So data element, it doesn't exist. You want to create the data element. Yes, I want to create it. City of employee. Correct. Now I want to create field level also, right? City, and here city of EMP. Here city of em- employee. Just copy and paste. Okay, so now I want to create the data element also. DOCT. Okay, already created, right? Let me create my one. Not available. Double click. You want to create? Yes, I want to create data element. Oh, sorry, domain, right? Just go here, create city of employee. Okay, it should be char character 10, number of character, enter. Okay, you want to case sensitive? Yes, I want case sensitive, like small letter. Here, this is the beauty of domain. Okay, so if you want value 1, 2, 3, 4, okay, this one, this value only you can give. Apart from other value you can't give. Chennai, Mumbai, okay, then Vana, Varanasi, and Delhi. Okay, this will only, yeah, here the interval you can, value table also you can give. Okay, so let me go and save it, activate it. Here is new, you have to activate. Yeah, so domain is not activated, correct? So again, double click here. So you have to activate the domain. Yeah, it is now, it is activated. Again, activate the data element. It is also activated. Now you have to activate the your program. Okay, 0101. Let me create age also. Age. Uh, yeah, let me create do age. Sorry, yes, 01. Yeah, hi Subham. Yeah, domain, right? Sorry, age. Domain I'm going to create. I am creating character 02, right? Suppose I want to give only a restriction, only 24 age, okay, and 25 age, and 26 age. Only these three option only you can give. You can't give 88 age, okay? So like this, yeah, D is also activated. Let me activate this. See, error is there, right? So now again and again error is coming. So how to rectify this? So best option is you can go here and yeah, this is database object, database utility. Remember it, data object, database utility. Okay, you can create and direct adjust and activate and adjust the table. Okay, yeah, now you will go and activate it. So activate it. Got it? Hello. Yeah. So now you will go here, table content, create. Okay. Suppose Ali. See here, F4 is coming, correct? 25, 26. Only these values only you can give. 2 is coming. Okay. Here is Banaras. 3 is coming. Okay. Department is above. Now you got how it works. Hello. This is display. Yeah. See here. Okay, this is old, this is new. If you will select here F4, then only you can know. Is 2 3, you can't able to know 3 is what. Okay, so 3 is what, do you know? Then you have to go here. What is 3? What is 3 means? So sorry, domain, right? In domain here 3 means Banarasi. Okay, like that. So yeah, so like that table is created. Now how to define it? What is the use of domain? What is the use of data element? Also, there are few more concept in the domain. Routines. Okay, you can check. Uh, I will show you. Uh, SC11, SC11. Okay, Mara table. Okay, just go and check Mara table. Here is the MATNR, right? This is the domain created, correct? So here is the routines, correct? Value range is Mara, means whatever the master data is created in the Mara, right? Same as for same values you have created. Means if in Mara table, if in the Mara table, if material is not created, then you can't give that material into MATNR. It will show this material is not exist. Got it? Hello? Yeah, so like that. So yeah, I'm going to show you the routines, correct? This is the routines, input, output. Okay, if you select it, this will open the function module. If you click it, here you can give the input. Okay, so what is the input? Let me go you. Let me tell you. SE16 and Mara. Sorry, SE16 and Mara. Okay, let me go inside. Let take any material 21. Okay, so this is the unconverted value. Okay, 00. So if you'll provide this, okay, this is the input function module, right? Let me open. Yeah, input one. Let me open. Yeah, 21. Okay, so what will be the input? This one. Got it? You. This is the input values. This is the conversion, use of conversion exit. It will convert in the internal format. Okay, if you want to go output means you want to display. So you don't want to display this 00, right? No use of displaying this 00. You want only 20 value, 21 value need to be displayed in your output screen. Then you can use this function modules. Okay, so like that it works. Okay, so here you can check some other field. This is unconverted, this is converted. For date field you can check. What more is there? ROH, MATNR, right? MATNR. You can go and search here ROH, correct? F4. See here, all this is there, right? ROH. So some of the material type, it should be there, whose internal value is different and external value will be different. So you can check the conversion exit in that, how it works. Okay, so yeah, this is the table. Explained you all detail about the table. Go through the uh Hi Ali. Yeah, go through this all the task. Okay, what are the tasks I have uploaded? Go there and just work it and upload here. Why it is not uploaded here? Let me refresh it. 7th, where it is? Yeah, now uploaded. Yeah, store. Okay, just go through the task. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
that's all from my side. Hi Snellata, how are you?
I'm good. How about you, sir?
Yeah, good, good, good. So you are also fresher or like already you know about?
I have completed 4 months of internship.
Okay, okay. So you are expert in ABAP, right?
Yes.
Okay. So you know already this whatever I'm
Yes.
explaining.
No,
Okay.
I know. Oh,
Okay. 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 Good. Good. Okay then.
thank
Okay.
you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.